This week on Saving Sweet William,
we use some thrifty budget DIY tricks to put the finishing touches on our shed restoration project by reusing and repurposing old timber instead of buying new.
Mixing old world charm with AI driven design. We're Chris and Joe.
And this is our creative collaboration,
Renovate
with us.
Calimera. Okay gang, next job is going to be to try and get an edge on this side of the shed and the opposite side. We've got a big gap here that lets water in, which isn't ideal. So let's get to work. Okay, welcome to the workshop, also known as the edge of the swimming pool covered in a cardboard box. Now, the plan for today is to make a nice edging for the roof of the shed out of these old mosquito nets that used to adorn the windows. We've got these really useful pieces of wood that are just the right size for making an edge on the shed. I mean, this is basically the Greek way of doing things. Reusing what you've got, not wasting things, and saving a bit of money, making what you need. I've got a very old pair of pliers trying to move some very wedged in staples. There are few things in the world as sharp as a staple that you haven't seen sticking out of a piece of wood. And we've got plenty of those over here on these mosquito nets.
So the next stage is to get holes drilled in these pieces of wood to clip to the side of the shed. And we've got these possibly excessive M10 coach bolts. Yeah, might be a little bit over the top, but this is what we've got to work with. Problem is we don't have a wood drill bit, so I'm trying to use these masonry drill bits to get the holes in. This is what I could get, so let's see if it works. Let's go and see if this works, where we need to attach it to the roof tile. Okay, so we've got this small pilot hole that we drilled with the smaller drill bit. I'm going to try and get through with. All right, we're in. All right, so we'll just get the second hole in now. Usually easier to start with a smaller drill bit if you're trying to work like this, which is making do with what you've got. So we're going to get the second drill bit in, the second hole in. Around here. You can see from the smoking drill bit how unideal this is. Anyway, carry on regardless. I'll set the place on fire. So some people who may be new to our show might be wondering why we're doing things the hard way, as in not buying wood bits, wood drill bits when we need wood drill bits, and making do with masonry bits. And one of the reasons is we're renovating 2 properties at the moment. We've got a property in England that we live in, and we've been doing work on that since 2017. And we're doing this over here on the small budget that we do have, but we're just trying to make do with what we've got. That's why we're recycling bits of wood, not only because it saves money, but also it's a Greek way of doing things. You borrow something from a neighbour, you reuse pieces of wood that you've got from other jobs, and make do. And that's quite a nice way of living. We enjoy it. I mean, it makes things more difficult, but it also means that when you do achieve what you want to achieve out of pieces of wood and old bits of old tools and old screws and stuff that you've already got laying around, this gives you a sense of satisfaction that you've achieved a bit more than just going out throwing money at a problem and buying the solution. So yeah, it works. Everything just kind of you know, works pretty well for us. We've managed so far. Obviously, there are jobs when you do need to buy new materials, but if you can use old materials, then that's what we're going to do. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm drilling wood with masonry drill bits. Anyway, let's crack on. Okay, so this is our roof edge. Just going to give it a lick of blue paint real quick, and then we can bolt them to the roof. So in the summertime, this paint dries so quickly, you can't really, it turns to glue, it turns so gloopy and thick. This is the perfect time of year to do judge, as I'm discovering, which is start of November now, and yeah, the paint dries quick enough that you can get a couple of coats on it reasonably quickly, but not so quick that it becomes unworkable and glue-like. So yeah, beautiful time of year. Okay, time has come. Get these edges on. So we already drilled the holes, as you saw. We've got the bolts. Nuts and washers are somewhere. Right here. So let's get them on. Fits very nice. Drilled a couple of holes in 2 blocks of wood that we're going to use to cut these out. We should slot over there. Stick the washer on. Tighten them up. Yeah, that'll hold it. Good. Cool. So when I come back at another time of year, we will come back with something that's a bit shorter. Yeah, all we've got to do is do that times 4. Wood, washer, and a nut. And we're done. So we need to repair a roof tile up here at some point in the future, but for now we've got the side protected pretty well.
Do you try and reuse and repurpose old materials into something useful during your projects? And do you have any money-saving, eco-friendly DIY tips that you'd like to share with us? The culture of fixing instead of throwing away is something that really appeals to us, and it's an attitude that seems to be quite common in Zakynthos and Greece in general. Although there aren't as many scrapyards and second-hand stores as places like France, we have spotted a few interesting looking salvage yards around the island that we'd love to have a good look at someday. It does seem like nothing gets thrown away over here without it being at the absolute end of its usefulness. This isn't about being thrifty, it's a mix of practicality, creativity and a touch of nostalgia. Many Greek people value things that have a story. Why throw away something when it can be transformed? It's like giving objects a second, third or even fourth life, a totally fresh start. Over here, sustainability isn't a trend, it's just the way it's always been, and hopefully the way it will always be. Next week we're wrapping up this project with a video showing the complete process from start to finish. Hope you can join us for that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed the show. Thank you.